Sharks, the ultimate predators of the deep sea. With their sleek bodies, razor-sharp teeth, and incredible speed, these magnificent creatures have ruled the oceans for millions of years. But what do you really know about them? Sure, they're known for their terrifying bite, but there's so much more to learn about these ancient predators. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 facts about sharks that will completely shock you. From their superhuman senses to their ability to regrow teeth, and even their role in keeping our oceans healthy, these creatures are much more fascinating than you might think. Get ready for an underwater adventure filled with jaw-dropping surprises. Let's dive in. 10. Sharks have been around longer than trees. At number 10, sharks have an astonishingly ancient lineage. Sharks first appeared on Earth over 400 million years ago, making them older than trees themselves. While most land animals were still evolving, sharks were already cruising the seas, adapting to changing environments. They managed to survive through the mass extinction events, showing their resilience and how well they're built to thrive in a wide range of environments. They've outlasted species like the dinosaurs and have continued to evolve into the species we know today. Sharks have truly stood the test of time. 9. There are over 500 species of sharks. Sharks come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. In fact, there are over 500 different species of sharks, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is about the size of a hand, to the enormous whale shark, which can grow to over 40 feet in length. These species inhabit oceans all around the world, from the shallow coastal waters to the deepest depths of the ocean. Each species has evolved unique characteristics, such as specialized teeth, hunting methods, and behaviors, which allow them to thrive in their particular environments. 8. Sharks have 5 to 7 gills. Did you know that sharks don't have gill slits like other fish? Instead, most sharks have 5 to 7 gills depending on the species. These gills are located on each side of their body, just behind their head. They function to extract oxygen from the water as it flows over them, and sharks use this oxygen to power their muscles for swimming and hunting. Interestingly, not all sharks need to keep swimming to breathe. Some sharks can rest on the ocean floor, allowing water to pass through their gills while they remain still. This special adaptation helps sharks conserve energy and stay quiet while waiting for prey. 7. Sharks have superhuman senses. Sharks are equipped with some of the most extraordinary senses found in the animal kingdom. For instance, their sense of smell is so sharp that they can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. But that's not all. Sharks can also sense electrical fields produced by living creatures. Using special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, sharks can detect the faint electrical signals emitted by the muscles and nervous systems of other animals. This ability allows sharks to hunt prey even if it's hidden under sand or in total darkness. Sharks' vision is also exceptional, and they can see in both bright daylight and the murky depths of the ocean, giving them a huge advantage when hunting. 6. Sharks don't actually need to swim to breathe. Contrary to popular belief, not all sharks need to constantly swim to breathe. Some species, like the nurse shark and the basking shark, can remain stationary and still extract oxygen from the water. They do this by pumping water through their gills while staying still on the ocean floor or swimming slowly through the water. This is especially useful for sharks that dwell in calm coastal areas or shallow reefs, where they spend long periods feeding or resting. 5. Sharks have the strongest jaws in the ocean. When it comes to biting power, sharks are unrivaled. A great white shark has one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom, capable of exerting more than 1.8 tons of pressure. This immense force allows them to tear through flesh and even crush bone. What makes sharks so powerful is their muscular jaws, which are constantly reinforced by rows of sharp, serrated teeth. These teeth are designed for cutting, not chewing, so when a shark bites, it tears off large chunks of its prey. Sharks have multiple rows of teeth, and as they lose teeth during hunting, new ones grow back to replace them. 4. Some sharks can live for decades. Sharks are not only ancient, but some species live extremely long lives. For example, the Greenland shark, which lives in the icy waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans, can live up to 400 years, making it the longest living vertebrate on the planet. While most sharks live for about 20 to 30 years, the long lifespans of certain species demonstrate just how resilient and adaptable these animals are to their harsh environments. Sharks' longevity also contributes to their slow reproductive rates, which is why their populations are so vulnerable to overfishing. 3. Sharks can swim. Extremely fast. Sharks are fast, and I mean really fast. The short-fin mako shark holds the title for the fastest shark, reaching speeds of 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed allows sharks to catch fast-moving prey, such as tuna and swordfish, which they pursue with relentless speed and agility. Sharks achieve this speed thanks to their streamlined bodies, strong tail muscles, and specialized fins that help them glide effortlessly through the water. 2. Some sharks can regrow teeth. Every few days, sharks are constantly shedding and regrowing their teeth, sometimes every few days. Over their lifetimes, a shark can go through 30,000 to 50,000 teeth, which are constantly replaced as they lose them during feeding. Sharks have multiple rows of teeth, and when one tooth falls out, another slides into place from behind. This remarkable regeneration ensures that sharks always have sharp, functional teeth for hunting and eating. In fact, sharks can lose up to 100 teeth a day and still keep their bite strong and deadly. 1. Sharks are vital to ocean health. At number 1, sharks are not just apex predators. They are also vital to the health of our oceans. Sharks help maintain the balance of marine ecosystems by regulating the populations of prey species. By controlling the number of animals lower down the food chain, sharks prevent overgrazing of vital resources, like kelp forests and seagrass meadows. Without sharks, these ecosystems could collapse, leading to a domino effect that harms not only marine life but also humans. Healthy shark populations ensure that the ocean remains a thriving environment for all its creatures, making them essential to the planet's biodiversity. And there you have it, the top 10 facts about sharks. From their ancient origins to their crucial role in ocean health, sharks are truly incredible creatures. If you found these facts fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting videos on the wonders of the animal kingdom.